Hello everyone! In this simulation, we're going to see how velocity affects stopping. The first and second rows of the table show the distance values obtained by the car's calculations during its 10 meters per second and 20 meters per second run. Now, we're going to stop the car due to an emergency from a velocity of 30 meters per second. So let's click play and get the car moving. And then we're going to click Stop to perform the emergency stop. Look at the graph. Obtain the distance data for 30 meters per second velocity from the graph areas and complete the table. Please pause the video and try to obtain the values. Now check your answers to see if your answers are correct. If they are not, try again. Now look at all the figures in the table. What happens to the thinking distance if the velocity is doubled? You're right, the thinking distance also doubles, showing that it is proportional to the velocity. What happens to the braking distance if the velocity is doubled? Yes, it quadruples, showing that the braking distance is proportional to the square root of the velocity.